Hi there, this is Jay Bowman with your weekly commentary on the Dow Jones Industrial. Now let's just get straight to it. This is the monthly, and on the top of this monthly horn pattern, either this month or next month, it is basically 12,500, right? 12.5 to 12.6. Now you can see down here we've got a healthy bulls in the market on a monthly basis. So we'll just home in on the weekly, and this gives us a little bit more of a confirmation. This bull flag here, which broke back in middle of November, is pretty much coming to fruition, and the target on that was 12.5 to 12.7. So that's your top of your horn formation. Now with this gravestone doji, as I said last week, because the second candle has engulfed the first candle completely, it is as void. If we had a bear candle last week, it would be in play. So basically that's void, and it's just continuing on a healthy uptrend there. As you can see below here, all your supports and so forth. So let's just go to the daily. Now on the daily is at this sort of 12,150 mark. That's your next breakout on the upside. So if you were to break out on the channel line, say at that mark, what would you get? Well, you would get the 12,412 and 12,450. So in the 12.5 vicinity is where this is projected to go if it does break at the 12,154 sort of level at this top end of the channel line. So that's what we're looking at. And on the downside, obviously we have to also consider that is that if we do get a break at the 11.9 mark, right, we will be heading lower in this case, and this moves up by every day that goes by. But it's been traveling quite healthy, and reasons for this healthy Dow Industrial Index is that with the government, US government, doing QE2 and investing quite heavily in these 30 top stocks, you find that these last 35 odd days, there's absolutely no emotion. And what is the government? They're a non-emotional buyer, so they just basically purchase every day, and the stock continues to go up. Well, the index continues to go up, and so forth. So that's pretty much proven in regards to all the the news that has come out, Cairo and the ongoing problems in Europe. It just has not affected it, and that's a good reason why the Dow's been going up, is because of this sort of government intervention. And you can see that on a intraday basis, so there was hardly any money in this, except for it's starting to liven up a little bit now in those days. Now what I might just show you quickly is the intraday charts. Now if I go to a 180, right, with this envelope, it's still traveling in the top end. It's very healthy in the top end. As I said before, with the 11.9 mark, if it breaks that, then we've got a downwards target. But it's still, as long as it's in this top end mark, it's quite healthy. So for me at the moment, I know everybody's thinking, okay, Dow's going to pull back, Dow's going to pull back, but really, if you think about it, the Dow might pull back a touch, but to crash overnight is just not in my belief. So that's the Dow commentary for the week of 7th of February. Just stay tuned. This is Jay Bowman signing out, and if you want to contact me, it's on jaysanalysis@hotmail.com. Thank you. Goodbye.